Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to do a pop-up effect like this, and this. It's simple and easy to do using CapCut. Let's go.
All right, open your CapCut. Go to new project and upload the video you did with your hands tapping your phone. There is the video. Then all right, I have to start from where I was tapping the phone. Then you go to overlay to import my image. The first one is the dollar, which I downloaded from Google. I will drop the link in the description and I upload it. Then I go to I will go to remove background, remove BJ. I click on remove BJ. Click on auto remover. Boom. We have our dollar image. Then I have to crop it because it's too large. It's covering almost my face. And I have to crop it to the size I want. Good. This size is good. Then from where I was tapping my phone, I will have to keyframe it and click on this very icon here. Then drag it down. Have to keyframe it. Then we'll move our image motion a bit. Then minus the keyframe and you drag it. Good. Now we have, let's play and see how it is.
Like this, and
Then the second one, do it the same way. Add overlay, the house. Then remove BJ. Also remover. Good. Then we crop it to the size we want. Good. Then after
this,
then this, we keyframe the house. Add the keyframe, drag it down, and we'll move it a bit, move the motion a bit. Then we drag it up to this place. All right, let's see.
this, and this.
Simple and easy to do. Then the third one, gonna add our text. Go to text. Add text. Then and I put the credit alert. And I put the credit alert, which I got. Then let's say for instance, I have to just type the credit and I type the credit. I can't get all the figures here. Then let's say credit 5,000. two, then boom. Then we also have to keyframe it, reduce it a little bit to the size we want. Then we'll play the video and see.
this, and this.
Then this place where the move design, then we keyframe it down, then we'll drag it up here. So it's simple. See,
And this is simple, and
let's replay the video. See,
this and this is simple and
then
easy.
we can add sound to them. Then let's add a sound. Go to audio, go to click on sound FS. You type pop, P-O-P, because you're dealing with a pop-up message. So you have to get a pop-up sound. Then let's check the sound. You can choose any of the pop-ups sound you want. So I go with this very pop and I'll add it, and I have to position it to the motion. I have to position it to the motion to merge with my video. Good.
This,
You see?
this, this, and this is simple. This, and
Then this sound effects, I can duplicate it to get more of it. Then I duplicate and I have to drag it down here.
this, and this.
Then this very one here, I will also get a different audio for the credit alert, which is I will go with another pop-up sound. Let's check. Okay, I'll take the pop-up notification, which is this very one. I'll go with the pop-up notification, which is this. So let's add it and
And
position
this.
position it to the video. Okay, I'll have to split this very pop-up sound a little bit to give position for my credit alert sound.
This, and this
Good.
is simple. This is simple.
Uh,
This, this, and this is simple and easy to do using CapCut.
so this is simple and easy to do using CapCut.
This,
You can see it again.
this, and this is simple and easy to do using CapCut.
Good. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.